Two booster sets can look identical on paper. Same flow, same pressure. But only one will work right in the real world. Let's explore 3 critical points that are often ignored, and why they matter. Most buildings don't have constant water demand. Peak hours, low use times, night mode. If the booster isn't designed to adapt to varying flow, you'll get rapid cycling, energy waste, shorter equipment life. Tip: use multi-pump systems with proper sequencing logic. Municipal or tank-fed systems rarely give constant inlet pressure. If your booster doesn't account for this, you'll face cavitation, pressure loss during peak demand, unstable performance. Tip: always simulate the lowest inlet pressure in your design. A great mechanical setup is useless without smart control. Does your booster panel work with VFDs, VMS or PLC integration? Pressure transducer feedback? If not, expect noise, poor control, and high energy bills. Tip: demand full documentation from the manufacturer. Not just specs, but control logic and startup support. Booster sets don't fail because they're weak. They fail because they're not adapted. We enhance real-life performance by getting the details right at Fluidemy by Ebitt.